Hey friends, thank you for joining with me once again. Today I'm going to go over 5 of the best vegetables to help me lower my cholesterol, and they can work for you too. Hey, what's happening? So, did you love the color of those vegetables? So, I put together some notes on exactly how much fiber is in like 1 cup of each of those vegetables. So 3.8 grams and 1 cup of broccoli raw. The kale has 1.34 grams of fiber. Um, and by now you could probably tell those 5 vegetables are fiber rich, which is suggested um, if a person wants to lower their cholesterol to include vegetables or grains, nuts, um, fruits with high soluble fiber. It grabs a hold of the cholesterol in your bloodstream and then takes it and flushes it out. So this will in turn reduce your total HDL cholesterol. So going on, the Brussels sprouts have 3.3 grams of fiber. The carrot's not that high, 1.7 grams, and that's 1 medium-sized carrot. And then the cauliflower, which I absolutely love, is 2.3 grams of fiber. So these vegetables have been proven to lower my cholesterol. Since introducing this type of food in my diet, I have dropped my cholesterol. I would say now about 42 points. So I eat this way maybe 5 times a week. Mm-hmm. I include either one of these 5 vegetables in my meal daily.
Aha.
And of course, I cut out all the meat and dairy. So it's like no wonder why my cholesterol went down. And then, of course, as you guys may know, I walk every day.
Aha.
So let me go ahead and prepare this meal and show you what this looks like. I'll plate it after I cook it. Okay, you guys, I am going to plate this. Look at how beautiful this came out.
Wow.
This is my kale. This is
What's this?
my cauliflower. Oh, look, there's a Brussels
What?
sprout too. And carrots.
Aha.
Brussels sprouts and carrots. Perfect.
Oh my God.
I'm going to love this.